Is it safe to invest in freelancing? Remember the old idiom, it takes money to make money? Well, to a certain extent, it's true. If you want to grow your design business, you're going to have to invest in it. But how much should you be spending? And what you should be spending money on? Advertising. Even the most compelling website won't translate to paying gigs if no one sees it. Advertising, either paid or organic, through an improved social media presence, will help put you in the radar. Your advertising dollars won't just need to be spent online either. If you work with local businesses, consider joining your local chamber of commerce, taking out some old-fashioned newspaper ads, mailing flyers to targeted business make sense. Equipment upgrades. Did you start out working off an inexpensive laptop? It is still meeting your needs? Or have you outgrown its memory and performance? Do you need a better camera or scanner to improve your work? Analyze your equipment and make sure it's helping you reach your goals. Also, whatever equipment you're using, make sure you keep it on top working order. Maintain your tools to keep them working. Education. Do you need to invest in your education? Are there any courses you can take to improve your business sense, communication skills, or design knowledge? Think about it. Any skills you're lacking or areas to improve. Then see if you can find a course or book to help you get where you want to be. Once your business is established and regularly making money, it's no longer a baby. Don't stop investing in your business just because it's no longer new.